Hello Super Silly fans, we're back. We're gonna do another quick unboxing video, and to help us out today we have Sebastian on the front, and he's gonna be helping us do the unboxing today. How does that sound?
Good.
It's awesome, huh? So what are we unboxing today, Sebastian?
Grave digger.
Grave digger? I don't see anything in front of you, dude. Alright, so this is actually a surprise for Sebastian because he has no clue what we're actually about to do. And he's been looking at the box all day long. He's seen the box all day long. The box is actually right next to him and he doesn't even know. So go get the box. Well, there it is. I actually opened it up just because I wanted to make sure, but let's see.
Do I open it?
Open it up and let us know what you got inside.
Wow! Oh! Carolina Crusher! It's 2015. Not 16, 15.
Carolina Crusher. What else do we have?
In this box. Halloween edition zombie!
Who's that?
Halloween edition zombie!
Let me see it. Dude, there's only like, how many of those have been made? 5,000 of those trucks? And you have one of them now. There's only, show the truck to the camera, son. So out of all the trucks, they only made 5,000 of these trucks. Right? There it is. Check out the detail on that baby. That's pretty cool. Anything else?
Doomsday!
Doomsday! Doom. Check that guy out, man.
You never seen him in the store.
There you go.
I'm gonna
So let's go ahead and get them open and see what.
I'm gonna open Carolina Crusher.
Let's clear some of this.
He comes with a little battle thing.
It's a battle ram, huh? Which one's that, like a hand?
Oy. It doesn't sound the same as the other trucks.
Put them up close to the camera so we can see it close up. Carolina Crusher. That's a nice looking truck there. It's kind of like an older monster truck, huh? Carolina Crusher. He comes from one of the older lines. Cool. We'll put the battle ram on here in a bit. Which one's next?
A Halloween edition zombie.
I can't believe you're gonna open that one. That was 1 in 5,000. Don't do it! Don't do it, man! Don't do it, man! Too late. Oh wow, that's what toys are for, huh? Let's check this guy out here. Look at this zombie. Isn't that your traditional zombie?
No. I have the other zombie.
Yeah, this guy looks like a big old jack-o'-lantern, huh? Like a big old pumpkin.
He has a tomato on the roof.
Ah, this guy's bad. I like him. So who's next in the lineup?
Doomsday.
So the Halloween didn't have the battle ram?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna get that out.
No, he has a battle ram too.
Oh, he feels like NEA police.
He does look kind of like NEA police. except he has a black body. Remember when the first time we saw him at the monster truck show?
Oh yeah.
Who did we think he was? We thought he was Darth Vader, huh?
Yeah. And the back was destroyed.
Yeah, he had a back destroyed.
Yeah.
I mean, he kind of does look like Darth Vader if you think about it.
He comes with a battle ram.
Because I thought that red light in the bottom was the sword. It was a zoom, zoom sword. So, here you have it, guys. Just a quick look at the trucks we got here. So, out of the three, which one's your favorite, Sebastian?
I actually have two.
You have two favorites. Doomsday.
All three.
Who's that? Which one's your favorite monster truck?
Of my first top?
Yeah, from the three. Pick your favorite 1, 2, and 3. Show the camera who number 1 is. Doomsday.
My number 2?
Your number 2 monster truck is? Who is it?
Carolina Crusher.
Carolina Crusher. And number 3.
Halloween Edition Zombie.
Awesome sauce. So there you have it, folks. Sebastian doing his little unboxing of his new monster trucks from Monster Jam. These were purchased from the Monster Jam website. As this one here you cannot find in stores. They're limited edition of 5,000 trucks. And so if you want one, get yourself some because they will sell out. Just like the Gravedigger Halloween edition, which we also have.
Yeah.
Doomsday, we've never seen him in store.
Nope.
And we've never seen Carolina Crusher in store, so we went ahead and got all 3 of them together.
And don't forget Destroyer.
Oh, there's Destroyer, but they sold out of that one. Remember we couldn't order it because they sold out of that one?
Oh yeah. It's just I seen them in the store once. But big one.
But yeah, there it is, guys. Again, Super Silly Toys. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing. We're getting about 1 subscription, getting close to number 30, so let's get to number 30, guys. I do want to have a giveaway as soon as we get to 50 subscribers. And I don't know what that giveaway will be, but I promise it'll be something pretty cool. And once we get to 50 subscriber, guys, so keep liking, keep subscribing, keep sharing our channel. And this is Sebastian.
Bye.
Bye.